Hey everyone, this is Jason Chapman with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're going to do a brief walkthrough on a 2021 Nautique G23 that just came in on trade. This boat is a one-owner boat with 366 hours, so really low hours for 2021. That puts you about, mid-70s per season on average. We have the Metal Flake Admiral Blue here and the Mystic White, so absolutely beautiful color scheme. Previous owner took really good care of this boat. So we make our way to the swim platform here. Nice entry point inside. We have our Nautique surf system, our underwater lighting, and this does come with steer assist. And making our way in the boat, center walkthrough, sea deck all around so you're not stepping on your upholstery. Seating on either side with a transom remote and a built-in cooler that self-drains. It's a great spot to hang out and relax when you're not underway. And then walking inside, we do have our U-shaped seating. The seat in the middle here does fold back, and you've got some backrest right there to watch all the action behind the boat. Tons of storage underneath all the seats. Strapless board racks. Nice gel audio on the tower speakers here. And again, this tower does fold down over the windshield for storage in a lift or in a garage. And then again, seating over here, and then on your starboard side, we do have our race car inspired seat, our hotkeys, link pin array to adjust all your surfing, all your ballast control and navigation. Ergonomically sound on all of the Nautiques here. Nice recessed glove box. When you're driving this boat, you have great visibility out in the lake. And then up in the bow, nice wide bow here. Seating on either side. It's rated for 16 passengers, so you have tons of room for all your friends and family. Again, this boat's at our store in Rogers. Please give us a call or stop on by. We'd love to show you around. Thanks.